Good morning, everyone. So today I'm going to be doing a review on the Healthy Mummy Premium Smoothies and their protein powder. I have been a long time customer of Healthy Mummy, and I think that their products and their app and their meal plans and everything are just amazing. Their recipes so good. But today I'm going to be focusing on these three products. I first found Healthy Mummy just after I had my son, so 4 years ago. And I started using the Healthy Mummy products when I was postpartum with him, just to help lose that little bit of extra baby weight. And yeah, I found them amazing. So now that I've just had another baby, I am doing the same thing. So I've been using their protein powder and their premium smoothies. I've been switching it up between chocolate. This one is the double chocolate and vanilla. They are meal replacement, but they taste amazing. Like, this one tastes like chocolate milk. Like, you would not think that it was healthy for you. They've got the 5-star, where is it? The 5-star rating on them. They contain whey protein, so you've got lots of protein. You've got vitamins and minerals, probiotics in there. You've got like pretty much essentially everything that you need in a meal in a drink form. And the fact that it tastes like, this particular one tastes like chocolate milk, is amazing, because you don't feel like you feel like you're having, sorry, that was my dog trying to attack a bird through the window. Like, you don't feel like you're having a healthy smoothie. You feel like you're having a cheeky chocolate milk drink. This one is the chocolate one up close. These ones are the meal replacement. This one is just protein powder. So you can have this one just with water. I personally prefer to add it into a smoothie. I don't add it into these ones purely because they already have whey protein in them. But I mean, you could if you wanted to, but I just don't feel it's necessary when they've already got whey protein in them. This one I put in, if I just want just more protein, I will put this in a smoothie with some milk, banana, strawberries, sometimes some raspberries as well, and some honey, and it tastes amazing. Like, this is the vanilla one. They also have chocolate and coffee, I'm pretty sure. So amazing product. They're breastfeeding friendly. All of these are breastfeeding friendly, which is what I love about them. So you know you're getting nutrients, and you know that you're doing something good for your body, but you're also doing something good for baby too, because all those nutrients are essentially going through that milk into baby. 99.9% sugar free. They're low sodium. There's 28 grams per serve, and they're really quick to make. Like, it takes me literally like 30 seconds to make one of these. I switch these up. I switch them up between whatever I'm feeling on the day. Chocolate's my favorite. Like, this one's almost empty. You can see that. That one's almost empty. I do have a full one of this in the cupboard as a replacement. This one, yeah, so that's my favorite. So most days I'll have this, and then on the other days I'll just pick between either of these two. Yeah, vanilla is really good. It's really versatile because you can add, in these ones, you can add banana or fruit or veg of your choice into them. Like, with this one, I'll have it on its own. It tastes amazing on its own. But then sometimes if I want to change it up a bit, I will put in some banana and peanut butter, and oh my God, so good. And then this one, same thing, tastes amazing on its own as well. But sometimes I want to change it up a bit, and I'll put banana and strawberries with it, and again, tastes amazing. So yeah, so even though they're meal replacements, they are versatile. You can add your own fruit and veg into them to sort of add a few more nutrients and calories if you wanted to, but you don't have to. Definitely highly recommend these. And I also definitely highly recommend this as well. With these ones, they have different flavors. Like I know there's a biscuit one coming out. Remember the exact name of it, but it's like a biscuit one, and I put on the pre-order for that one because I'm like, that sounds amazing. So yeah, so I put on that, but they've got so many different flavors to choose from. So if you don't want chocolate or vanilla, you can choose from, there's banana, there's a caramel one, I think there's a chocolate mint one as well. Like, there's all different flavors. So yeah, there's just so much to choose from. They've got all different products as well. They've got tummy smoothies, they've got breastfeeding smoothies, they've got pregnancy smoothies, they've got cider vinegar tablets, they've got metabolism tablets, they've got kids smoothies, they've got men's smoothies. They just have so many different types of amazing products. They've got super greens, they've got carb control, they've got like sachets to make you feel fuller for longer. So you'll take them half an hour before a meal, and then it just helps you stay full for longer. These ones are currently the only ones I've tried, but I just thought I'd let you know that there are other options available if these ones aren't going to be suited for you. They have dairy-free ones. These particular three, these ones do have dairy in them, these three, but they do have options that are dairy-free if that's what you need. So yeah, they're very versatile, lots of different products to choose from, and it's just, yeah, they're just an amazing company. So if you're looking for something, like if you're wanting to get healthier and lose a little bit of weight, like I know I'm certainly trying to do that right now. It's very hard when there's Easter time and there's lots of chocolate around. Like, it makes it difficult because I am a massive sweet tooth, and I think that's why I love this chocolate one so much, because like I said, it tastes like chocolate milk. Like, you taste like you're having a treat, but you're not. You're actually having something that's good for you. I will show you how I make mine. So I've been preferring this without anything lately, so I have this just on its own. So I will show you how easy it is to make. Of your milk of your choice, which I don't know if you want to use. And then I might do the vanilla one today. Just gotta grab the scoop, because there's my scoops in this one, because that's my favourite one. Literally, you just put 200, so you just put one scoop into 250 mils of milk of your choice. If you've got one of these shakers, like, you can just literally just shake it. Otherwise, you can put it in a blender. And literally just shake it up. Super quick for if you're on the go, if you're a busy parent and you're on the go and you need something super quick and easy that's going to fill you until lunchtime. This is it. And like I said, you can bulk it out with some fruit or some veggies or whatever else you wanted to put in it. If you're wanting just some extra nutrients, some extra calories, just to help make you feel fuller for even longer. Highly recommend these. Absolutely amazing. I am going to go enjoy this now, but thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.